Good afternoon everyone. We are going to see one oximeter and how to use it. So this is one oximeter. In this COVID situation, it will help you to find out the oxygen level and your pulse rate. So it has auto power on and off, 4-direction display, visual and audible alert, battery indication, everything. And you can store the history up to 12 people. Once I open the box, you will get one string to attach, and you will get one finger tip oximeter user manual. Then inside you will get the one set of battery and the oximeter device. So the manual will have all the steps, like when to use, what to use, how to insert the battery and all, everything. If you go down till here, they will show it how to do it. So I'll go and explain to you. So first you have to remove the batteries. Two batteries are needed. So 2 small batteries, and then the device. The device will have a, here in this side you will have just to press this area like this, then it will open to insert your finger. Actually here we can insert the finger like this, just put it, then it will turn on. But before that we need to insert the battery. So I'll just insert the battery now. Okay, the battery is inserted. Now you can see it will show finger is okay. Now I am going to just, nothing to do, just press this side, hold and press, then put your finger inside and leave it, then it will start. It will take few seconds to read the data. Yeah, and you can see it will measure the oxygen level and pulse rate, and timer is going on at right side. It started from 30, then it will count down till 1, then it will measure and it will tell what is the oxygen level and what is your pulse rate. So we'll just see now. Okay, no irregularity found, means it is okay. Oxygen level is 99 and pulse rate is 95, so everything is normal. Now you can press again and remove your finger, then it will show finger out. That means it will turn off. If you want to see the results history, then you have to just press this button once, then it will show like this, 99 and 95. So you can press again, it will show M5, M6, so till M12, like 12 persons can 12 times history it will retain. Okay, so that's all, that's it. So no need to remove any other part and all, just put the battery and press here, then there inside you can see there is a small hole there, that the light will be turning on there. So if you put your finger there, fingertip, and your nail should not have any nail polish and all, it should be clean, then only it will be measuring it properly. Okay, thanks. See, if you want I can show you again, just then it will turn it on. See how the color is, the light is there, so that light only measures everything. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, subscribe our channel.